For the first time, we're hearing from the New Bedford foster parents advocating to keep their foster child in the United States. They say the Department of Children and Families was moving to reunite the young girl with her father, who was deported to Guatemala, even though he never had custody of her in the United States. Then came the discovery of the father's open criminal cases in Massachusetts.
We always talked about how that was the best day of our lives.
So at some point, did it look like the wheels were in motion for you to adopt her?
100%. They were ready to terminate father's rights. We had been licensed to adopt her.
Kathy and John Cobbett-Walden say the little girl came to them during an emergency placement through DCF in 2021. The child we'll call S is now 8 years old. S was in their care for more than 3 years. During that time, what happened with her care and protection case has again raised questions about how the agency determines best interest of a child's well-being. The little girl's biological mother had her rights terminated. She was 15 when S was born. The child's biological father, a Guatemalan national, was 29 when the child was born. He was in and out of her life, court filings say. He never had custody. And right now, the dad resides in Guatemala following his second deportation from the U.S. Despite that, DCF was planning for reunification, sending the American child out of the country.
As soon as we started advocating for S's wishes, and they stopped sharing information with us. They stopped communicating with us.
The family and their attorney, Kirsten Zwicker, says the wheels were in motion to send S to a country she didn't know, with a language she doesn't speak, and no clear plan to meet her social emotional needs.
DCF's prerogative of facilitating the removal of citizen children to foreign countries without any federal oversight was troubling to us. We saw no legal authority that allowed them to do so.
While this was playing out in court, 25 Investigates learned in November DCF removed S from the New Bedford foster home. There was an alleged domestic violence incident in the home, which was later dismissed, but nonetheless prompted removal.
How did you feel that day?
It's like your heart being ripped out of your chest. It's so, she's the most amazing kid.
The couple sought an emergency order to keep her in the U.S. In a new court filing this week, the legal team uncovered the bio father's, quote, extensive criminal history in the Commonwealth. Charges that include assault and battery, assault with a dangerous weapon involving a police officer, trafficking cocaine, and more. The father's attorney told 25 Investigates he could not comment on the case. In their own filing, they refuted concerns raised by the foster parents. Quote, their claimed irreparable harm is speculative and contradicted by the state court's reunification findings. 25 Investigates asked DCF about their plan to send an American child to her father, deported to Guatemala with open criminal cases. The agency did not respond by our Friday deadline.
We want to be connected. We want to support her. We want to be involved in her life. To have the opportunity to even just be there to support her at all, ripped away.
For now, the family says if they cannot be there for S, they hope someone in the system will be. Thursday night, the juvenile court reversed course and tossed out the order to send the child to Guatemala for now. So S's case remains open in the DCF system. Once again, we'll track what comes next. For 25 Investigates, I'm Carrie Kavanaugh.